yung pera ng simbahan.
Yeah.
Properties.
Properties.
Hindi si Pastor Apollo Quiboloy, they just want to find a way to actually deplete the resources of KOJC. They don't care if they're going to catch Pastor Apollo
Quiboloy or not.
They really care. What they really want is to get the resources para wala na silang resources in order to support the Dutertes. And then it's over. Hindi ba? Yan ang gustong gawin nila. Kay
We break yan.
yan ang gustong gawin nila sa mga Duterte. Alam mo sa good money talaga. Yes, they don't really care if they're going to arrest Pastor Apollo Quiboloy or whatever. Can you imagine, Pastor Quiboloy has been there for a long time. Kailan lang siya nagkaroon ng issue? Nung naging presidente